Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will cover a topic: how to cancel the subscription of Amazon Prime. Watch the video till the end and let's find out. The first thing you need to do is to access to your Amazon Prime account on a web browser. You need to open the web browser. I open Chrome here. No matter what web browser you're using, you can access to your Amazon Prime account on that. The next thing you need to do is to type in Amazon Prime in Google. Once you're done, you come to this website. You need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Make sure that you're signed in. As you can see, I'm already signed into my account. Next step you need to do is to tap on Accounts and Settings. So once you tap on Accounts and Settings, on this page you will find End Membership. You need to tap on End Membership. So once you tap on End Membership, you will find this message: do you want to end your membership? Either tap on Keep Membership if you don't want to end it, or if you want to end it. So end on November 28, 2024. So because my cycle will complete it on the 28th of November, so if I tap on End on November 28, it will end the subscription on that date, and my subscription will not renew for another cycle. So guys, this is all it takes to cancel the subscription of Amazon Prime. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.